Hello guys, welcome all and thank you so much for stopping by. May God bless you. So today we are going to unbox this Willow freezer. It's a freezer and from Amazon, and I bought it at 149. I didn't take a long video, that's why I'm telling you everything, and I'll show you how it look like. It's just a normal freezer. Yeah, a normal freezer. I have a fridge, but my space is small. It can't fit a big fridge, so I had to go for this extra because it's small according to my family. So I'll just show you the detail, and I'll show you how it look like. It's just a simple freezer, and it cost me 149 and I bought it at Amazon. So thank you so much for watching. Be blessed as you watch until the end. Thank you.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours. Tight, 'cause he's got those stranger eyes, and he could be what I like, but he's got those stranger eyes. Day out, it's the same road we're walking down, same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow, but when it melts the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and the stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.